I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Neurobiology. The brain area that we studied, called the striatum, mediates learning and movement, and perhaps even things like emotions and decision-making. This area is linked to a very wide range of disorders, including things like addiction, obsessive-compulsive disorder, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, Tourette syndrome. So we did a modern version of Pavlov's classical experiment, and we presented mice with fragrances that they had previously never smelled before, and repeatedly paired those fragrances with a reward in the form of a drop of milk. The next thing we wanted to know was, if we train these mice while we are turning these particular cells off, how does behavior get affected? Does something happen to the Pavlovian response? And what we found is, indeed, the Pavlovian response is significantly reduced when we turn these cells off while mice are learning. Therefore, when we're looking at disorders that may involve these cells, perhaps the most critical time that these cells are going to exacerbate the effects of certain disorders is during tasks that involve the early stage of learning. The idea is that this could deepen scientists' understanding of how learning takes place in the brain, and eventually allow doctors to develop better treatments for disorders like Huntington's, Parkinson's, and Tourette syndrome.